Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to downgrade from iOS 14 to iOS 13.7. Before you start, make sure your computer is connected to a good Wi-Fi internet connection, and you're going to need an IPSW file. This is what an IPSW file looks like. This is 13.7, this is the 14, but this is what we need, and I'm going to show you guys where you can get this. You're going to download the IPSW file from ipsw.me. When you get here, choose iPhone. Of course, we're about to restore an iPhone, so choose iPhone and look for the particular model you want to restore. That's which one your phone is. I have an iPhone 8 Plus here, so I'll go in here, and when that loads, we are going to download this one, 13.7. This is 14.0, 13.7. So basically 14.0, 13.7. So this is the one you're going to download, and of course hit here, then it starts to download. When your download is done, quickly open iTunes. Also, I advise you check for updates in iTunes. Make sure your iTunes is up to date. Mine is up to date, so that's very important. Make sure your iTunes is up to date. Now we'll go ahead to plug our device. So our device is plugged in now. As you can see, I'm not restoring anything, so I'll just set it up as a new iPhone. Continue, and it's just trying to do some backup and stuff. I'll hit get started and backing up and stuff. I'll just wait for this whole thing to get done, and it's almost done. It's backing up the iPhone, which is good, but then we're downgrading, so I'm not sure how helpful that backup will be. What we're about to do is restore iPhone. Now if you're on a Mac, you're going to open your Finder and you see your iPhone on the left side somewhere here on your Mac, but we're on iTunes on a Windows PC, as you can see, so we're going to hit restore iPhone. But we're not just going to click restore iPhone. On the Windows, we are going to hold down the shift key while we click restore iPhone. If you're on a Mac, you're going to hold down the option key instead of the shift key. When it opens up your Explorer here, you just go on and navigate to where you have the file. Of course, I have it on my desktop, as you can see here, 13.7. So this is it. So I'm just going to click open, and it's going to tell you this will erase your iPhone and restore it to 13.7. That's what we want to do. So I'll just hit restore. Now it's going to start extracting software and start doing the whole restore process. So just give it time to do its thing. Verifying iPhone restore with Apple. Verifying iPhone restore. Just checking that you are able to restore your iPhone to that firmware. So as you can see now, it's restoring the iPhone. So now basically it's done restoring. It's just verifying the iPhone software, trying to verify the restore. And of course you need internet connection for this. This is why you need good internet connection. So there you go, iPhone has been restored to factory settings and it's restarting. Please leave your phone connected. It will appear in iTunes video after it restarts. The phone is restarting right now. So there you go. It's asking me if I want to restore the backup which was done earlier. No, I don't want to. The thing about backups is most times backup from different iOS versions are not compatible. So I mean, you can try, but I don't need to do that. I'm just going to set up as new iPhone and continue. Get started. So as you can see now, our device is back to iOS 13.7. Very easy, very simple to do. If you need to update it also, you can just use the exact same method. Instead of restoring iPhone, you hold shift and hit update, and then you go for the 14.0, and everything that just happened right now will happen again, but this time it will be updating. So anyways guys, that's been the video how to downgrade from iOS 14 to iOS 13.7 for whatsoever reason. Maybe you have problems on iOS 14, or you just don't like it, or for whatever reason you need to downgrade. That's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.